Alright guys, what's going on? Oh, probably helped find unlock the car. So today, we have a very nice install. And that is going to be with this right here. Bought a carbon fiber shift knob. That's very nice. I have the adapters because that needs an adapter, because I mean you just kind of doesn't screw. So I have to use an adapter. It's freaking hot in this car. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm going to take these and open them. Well, 1 second here. I'm going to mount my phone up here. That may not work out like I would want it to. Well, you guys can see my face. Alright, well, anyways, so let's see if this one works. I think it does. And literally all you have to do is just screw that on. That's all you do, So we were probably wondering how I did that, but now let's take the carbon fiber shift knob, which is very nice looking, and just throw it on there. See how she goes down. Getting pretty tight. That's good. Oh yeah, real nice. A little bit of a gap right here, but that's okay. That's not the point. The point is, I went from this piece of crap. Well, not really a piece of crap. It's just old. It's got that. Yeah. So yeah. So that's where I'm at in center console, and then now I have this beauty. So that should be fun, easier to play with, Well, that kind of sounds kind of wrong. Anyways, so I actually found a different one on here that was a Mishimoto, but it was $52. I'm like, spending $52 on on a gear shift, I don't know about that. That was $20, so that wasn't bad. With free shipping, same day delivery. I ordered this technically Sunday night, or early Sunday morning. Technically Saturday night, like 1 o'clock in the morning is when I ordered. 2 o'clock in the morning. So technically it was a next day shipping, because it's Monday now. But yeah. So let me ask what you think in the comment section about that shift knob. And more videos to come. I have gonna be doing hopefully some exhaust here soon. I have a new tip coming, so that I need to make sure that it has the removable silencer in it, because I am not trying to silence that shit at all. It's gonna be loud as you know what. So and then I have to get new tires for the front, because they're starting to bottom on the outside. And yeah, I did hydroplane very easy. So gonna buy some new tires, but getting this tip in, hopefully gonna get this exhaust done pretty soon. Sorry, the video might be kind of short, because I just got that in the mail, and I was like, I'll just make a video real quick, a little install video on how to do it. You just screw that on, it's easy. So, alright guys, I will catch you guys later. Peace. Well, actually, before I say peace, if you're new to the channel, if you're stopping for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, keep watching videos, yo, on this beautiful 2011 Nissan Sentra SCR Spec V. More videos coming to this baby soon. Alright guys, peace out.